industrial engineering Capstone project, our group was tasked with redesigning the warehouse for the Food Bank of Iowa to meet the projected future growth. At the beginning of this project, we were tasked with increasing the capacity of the warehouse by 2 times in dry goods, 2.5 in freezer, and 3 times in cooler.
While our group understood that increased capacity was necessary for the Food Bank of Iowa, we also felt that it was important that we challenge the objectives given to us. We went ahead and did a jump analysis to prove normality for both receiving and inventory levels over the past 5 years. Once we were able to prove normality, we did a 5-year forecast, which disproved the original objectives that we were given by the Food Bank. While the objectives that we found using our forecast were different than the original ones that we were given by the Food Bank, we still attempted to maximize capacity throughout every single one of our warehouse designs.
Our first goal was to conduct a current state audit of the warehouse. As you can see, pallets are in blue, racks are in green, the freezer is in orange, and the cooler is in red. The future state capacity objectives were determined using the current state analysis capacity and inventory along with our objective multipliers.
As you can see from the current state AutoCAD, the warehouse layout is inefficient due to spatial challenges and inventory control issues. Our group wanted to assist in long-term success for the food bank by recommending standard operating procedures and policy changes. One of the considerations we kept in mind during the design phase was removing the current cooler from the warehouse layout. This allows access to the volunteer room, which is currently behind the cooler. Another consideration we had was to build a cooler around the current freezer to prevent weeping and mold developing. Keeping these 2 considerations in mind, 8 AutoCAD designs were developed to meet the needs of the food bank. Of these, 2 stood out to us as a team of being affordable and efficient.
Of these 2 designs, Design 6 in particular stood out for being the most efficient design that meets the capacity objectives. This design utilizes the same bulk freezer, while the current agency freezer is expanded upon to increase capacity. The design considerations were executed by removing the cooler and building a new cooler surrounding the current freezer. Design 6 also considers one-way aisles and circular movement within the warehouse to optimize material flow. Lastly, this design meets the original dry goods and cooler objectives and the projected 5-year freezer capacity. It has a final ROI ranging from 227 to 238%.
In summary, our group recommends implementing multiple policy and standard operating procedures to the Food Bank of Iowa, such as turning away donations. In addition, our final design we recommend is Design 6 as it meets capacity objectives and is also affordable to execute with a cost savings of $2.1 million.